Alzheimer's disease is a thief. It steals our memories, our identities, and eventually, our lives. For decades, scientists have been trying to catch this thief. We thought we had a prime suspect: beta amyloid plaques. These sticky proteins clump together in the brain, disrupting communication between neurons. However, a new wave of research suggests we may have been looking in the wrong place. While beta amyloid might play a role, it's not the mastermind behind this devastating disease. The real culprit, it seems, is a different protein: tau. Tau proteins are like scaffolding for our brain cells, helping them maintain their shape and function. In Alzheimer's disease, tau goes rogue. It twists into abnormal tangles, choking brain cells from the inside out. Recent studies have shown that these tau tangles are far more toxic than beta amyloid plaques. They spread like wildfire through the brain, leaving a trail of devastation in their wake. The insidious thing about tau tangles is that they start forming years, even decades, before any symptoms of Alzheimer's appear. This silent killer lurks in the shadows, slowly but surely eroding our cognitive abilities. By the time we start experiencing memory loss or confusion, the damage is already extensive. This is one of the reasons why Alzheimer's has been so difficult to treat. We've been trying to put out a forest fire when it's already burned down half the forest. But here's the hopeful part: understanding the role of tau opens up new avenues for treatment. If we can detect these tangles early on, we might be able to slow or even halt their progression. Why are humans so vulnerable to Alzheimer's in the first place? After all, other primates experience aging too, but they don't develop this devastating disease. The answer might lie in our evolutionary history. Humans have evolved exceptionally large, complex brains. This has allowed us to achieve incredible things, from building pyramids to writing symphonies, but it has also come at a cost. Our brains are like high-performance engines. They require a lot of energy and are prone to overheating. As we age, our brain cells accumulate wear and tear, making them more susceptible to damage from tau tangles. In a sense, Alzheimer's could be seen as the price we pay for our advanced cognitive ability. The discovery of tau's central role in Alzheimer's has sparked a flurry of research into new treatments. Scientists are developing drugs that aim to prevent tau tangles from forming, clear existing tangles from the brain, or even boost the brain's natural defenses against these toxic proteins. It's still early days, and there's no guarantee that these treatments will be successful. But for the first time in a long time, there's a sense of optimism in the field of Alzheimer's research. We're finally starting to understand the true nature of this disease. And with that understanding comes the hope of finding a cure. The fight against Alzheimer's is far from over, but we're finally on the right track.